Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you where can I see my Scene Plus rewards and account history in Scotiabank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and on the search bar simply type in scotiabank.com, and once the page loads, all you gotta do is sign in. Now once you are signed into your account, here on the top bar you'll be seeing a bunch of options like accounts, bill payments, transfers, products and services, right? Simply click on transfers, and once you click on transfers, here below it you'll be seeing another bar with the options like between accounts, interact, e-transfer, send money internationally, right? Simply select the option that's interact e-transfer, and once you do that, here you'll have an option that says history and pending. Simply click on that, and once you click on that, a dialog box or a small pop-up box will appear, and there you can view your account history in Scotiabank. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.